welcome back to Salmon
Sailor Money
and Bubble Twins.
period. And today we're going to talk about
cheating. Benar-benar sebuah transisi dari episode ke episode ya.
asli. Jadi kita kembali lagi, kita melanjangi diri hari ini.
Ke habitat kita.
Exactly.
Ke jati diri kita yang paripurna ini.
Benar. Dan si paripurna itu kita suka sekali ngomongin sesuatu yang juicy. Selain dating, of course, the juicy topic would be infidelity.
Karena trends come and go, you know.
Exactly.
One thing remains the same. There is always a cheating story all around you.
Yeah, when we're like, kalau kita ngomongin pop culture, of course. Kemarin aja ada allegation Benny Blanco menyelingkuhin Selgom. Kita belum bahas loh.
Kita belum bahas itu. Sampai bingung loh, masalahnya kita kan baru bikin video klarifikasi permintaan maaf.
Masa kita minta maaf lagi?
Capek banget loh.
Gak apa-apa
Iya,
ya, mungkin
gak
nanti
apa-apa.
kita bikin.
Betul. Tapi selalu banyak sih. Dan cerita-cerita kalau kayak di buat selebriti kan itu kayak jatuhnya allegation segala macam. Tapi in real life, terkadang cerita-cerita itu adalah fakta.
Benar sekali, apalagi
Yang
bagi
100%.
orang biasa seperti kita ya.
Oke. Di pergaulan lo seberapa sering lo mendengar cerita tentang perselingkuhan, Sash?
They
Dude,
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
kalau ada seumur-umur gue gitu ya, kayak udah 23 gitu.
Iya, aku yang 12 tahun gak tahu apa-apa.
Kan banyak yang udah kayak menuju pernikahan.
Atau
ya
sudah
nggak, Lo?
menikah.
Ya atau mungkin
Ya.
kayak udah punya, maksudnya nikahnya udah lumayan lama, udah punya anak. Wah tuh langsung mulai tuh cerita-ceritanya mulai juicy. Dan kita
Biasanya-
ikutan concern karena apalagi kalau misalnya ada anak-anak yang involved.
Itu dia.
Itu dia
Biasanya
loh.
di perselingkuhannya terjadi di mana sih, Kak, kalau boleh tahu?
Banyak di lapangan kerja.
Itu dia. Di lapangan kerja. Karena some people, maksudnya yang bekerja kantoran, mereka menghabiskan waktunya lebih banyak di kantor daripada di rumah kan.
Benar. And you meet all kinds of people.
Iya.
And
Kira-kira
you
di
never know.
lapangan padel udah ada cerita-cerita lucu belum?
Jujur pasti sudah ada banyak ya. Kau lihat saja sudah menjamur di lapangan padel dan
Itu
kau
dia.
bayangkan berapa banyak juicy stories di lapangan-lapangan ini loh. Be.
Itulah. Karena apalagi mereka melihat kayak gitu kan kayak
Iya.
gitu.
Kayak misalnya lo ikutan lomba ini gak? Lo ikutan tanding ini gak?
Mungkin kita harus sewa court kali ya, kita latihan dulu gitu.
Iya,
Bang.
kayak,
Iya.
saya kamu nanti pulang jam berapa? Oh sorry, aku ada coaching dulu nih padel di sini sama ini.
Padahal padel yang lain.
Takut
banget.
We do
takut
not
banget.
condone this.
We do not condone
this. We're so
Biasanya,
sorry.
gue baru sadar.
Apa lo?
BLST, apapun tren olahraganya pasti ada cerita perselingkuhan di situ. Ingat nggak jam berapa tahun lalu sempat ada desas-desus cerita tentang perselingkuhan yang terjadi antara para pesepeda.
Iya.
Ya
Oh my god, dude. Tapi pasti tuh selalu ada gak sih?
Lari, aku juga dengar. Itu lagi.
Kau jangan salah itu. Hey.
Itu, sekarang
Kenapa ya? Mungkin banyak orang-orang yang gak emotionally puas dan gak bisa emotionally express their insecurities kali ya.
Maybe, and also like apa namanya, gue di sini gue baru belajar banget dan baru mengerti juga. Kadang it's a way of people just wanna sabotage their relationship. Tapi instead of
betul,
communicating of like what didn't work, what's not working, what's working, mereka kayak ya udah
Gua
flight
hancurin aja, gua hancurin aja sekalian.
deh nih.
Iya.
Pecahkan gelasnya biar ramai.
That's very cowardly.
Oh my gosh, gue lumayan banyak girl kayaknya at this point di usia gue yang 18 tahun ini
Gitu. Yang penting udah punya KTP ya.
Iya benar, yang penting udah punya untuk perbincangan seperti ini, yang penting udah punya KTP.
Exactly.
Kayak setiap tahun ada aja deh.
Iya,
Kayak
pasti
mendengar
ada
cerita
aja.
itu setiap quarter kayak bahkan juga ada.
Aduh, I mean, gue sih pengennya nggak ada.
Belum
Cuman
ya.
unfortunately people talk and people do stupid shit,
Yeah.
basically.
Belum lagi kalau misalnya kita bahas perbedaan cheating physically, emotionally.
Yeah, itu juga ribet. But hey, you know, like you're in your relationship, you choose to be in that relationship, you choose to love this person as your partner. So if
Yeah.
you choose to cheat, then that's on you.
Exactly. Or you choose to stay after your partners cheat on you.
Yeah.
Itu juga pilihan
That's on
teman-teman
you.
masing-masing.
Yeah, semua itu pilihan. Kita di sini untuk ngejudge dari jauh.
Silently.
Silently.
Silently. I mean, we're just judging the stories.
The
you
stories,
know,
not you, babe.
No, not you,
I
not
mean,
you.
you do you, babe.
Yeah, exactly. Oke, episode ini tayang mungkin ceritanya sudah lewat atau bertambah informasi yang ada,
Yeah, we'll
tapi
see.
lagi rame banget nih teman-teman.
Yes, lagi freshnya, fresh out of the oven.
Exactly, di konser Coldplay terpampang nyata di layar TV itu.
Bukan TV tapi oke.
Ya. Ada seorang laki-laki dan perempuan berpelukan secara mesra. dan
Mesra.
manja.
Kalau kata orang-orang Korea, back hug. Dipeluk dari belakang.
Yang
Aku juga
ternyata-
mau.
Yang ternyata adalah CEO dan juga CPO alias Chief People Officer alias HR.
Okay.
Dari sebuah perusahaan namanya Astronomer. Astronomer itu apa ya?
Astronomer. I don't know if they know about astrology or astroturf or maybe they shop at Astro. We don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know, but it's a company in the US.
Yes, dan
In the US, right?
US.
Okay.
Jadi mereka kayak mereka berpelukan, terus ketangkep basah, terus si
Chris Martin.
bilang apa?
Jadi di footage-nya itu kan ya mereka caught on camera and then
Kayak kiss cam
cowoknya
gitu loh.
CEO-nya kayak langsung kayak nunduk gitu, jongkok ngumpet, ceweknya CPO-nya langsung kayak balik badan gitu, tutup muka. And then Chris Martin bilang kayak the folks over there like I don't know if they're having an affair or they're just really really shy. Spot on, Chris. Spot on.
Period. Ada banyak banget kontennya tuh langsung kayak rame total.
Yeah.
Ada yang bilang gini, Coldplay hasn't made a single in years. Last night they made 2.
Period.
Period.
That's crazy. 2
Oh my
singles
god,
in one
apparently he
night.
cheated on his first wife. Apparently he cheated on his first wife with his current wife. Jadi di relationship sebelumnya si CEO ini dia selingkuh sama istrinya yang sekarang. Sekarang dia selingkuh lagi.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Tapi
fine.
ini info dari mana lo, we?
Nggak
Ini
tahu.
hanya komen orang lo. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Ada yang komen if he did it, if he'll do it with you, then he'll do it to you. Damn. That's some bar right
That's
there.
crazy. Tapi itu
Bars.
real.
Real.
Itu real.
Karena it's a pattern.
Coldplay destroyed 2 marriages. Oh my god.
Yeah, but you know, maybe saved a lot of people.
Exactly. I love it when evil people are taken down.
Let's go comments. Yes.
Oh my god. Everything done in the dark comes to light. Tapi Jir, ini tuh apa ya? Is this in the stars or anything? But it's amazing how the universe works.
Yeah.
Gue tadi sempat bahas sama Gemat kayak apa memang ini setup ya?
Could be. It would be like diabolical kalau misalnya kayak maybe like one of their partners tahu tentang this affair.
Yeah.
Terus kayak okay, we know that they're going to a Coldplay concert. Let's just like sabotage the concert. Tapi what type of power would do you have to have in order to
Iya.
pull that off? But
Bisa-
gue ini koinky-dink aja sih.
Kayaknya sih ini just the universe being
Yeah, the universe said, here's the truth. Girl.
Exactly.
Here's the tea.
Oh my god. Can someone in the office come give us a story time on what happened?
Oh my god, iya, kepo banget.
Okay, so talking about an employees, ada teman kita Omat nemuin satu Twitter yang ngomong that he was fired from astronomer. Dia yang membuat company's events team. Turns out our CEO and head of HR were having an affair and got caught at the Coldplay concert that I bought the company tickets to.
Okay, jadi dia yang beliin.
They blame me for getting caught and fired me on the spot, taking some time to reflect and will start looking for job soon. Terus kalau nggak salah di bawahnya dia ngomong dia udah langsung dapat kerjaan lagi.
Okay, that's good. Tapi kayak, dude, okay, this
Berarti dia
guy's
pakai
name's Alex Cohen, but like, iya minta tolong sama anak events.
Dan kalau nggak salah kan mereka memang ngajak salah satu si HR director atau apa gitu, anak buahnya si Kristen ini untuk ikut, jadi it's a company thing.
Okay, it's company outing. Okay.
Jadi ini dibayarkan juga dengan uang
That's
perusahaan.
crazy
loh.
You cheat with your company's money?
Yeah, you cheat with no modal.
Damn.
Even though you're the CEO or
Yeah.
whatever.
I mean, talk about abuse of power.
Exactly.
That's cray actually.
Coldplay tickets, $2,000. Divorce, priceless.
Period. That's a bit insane though.
Yeah, exactly. Mind you, she got promoted a week before this concert.
Are you serious?
Oh, not-
Okay, these
not
are
her.
like allegations.
Not her, Kristen. Jadi si anak yang dibawa itu baru dipromosi seminggu sebelumnya. Ketahuan dari mana, dari LinkedIn post. Ternyata si Kristen dan si pegawainya yang ikutin namanya Alyssa, mereka tuh udah kerja bareng di, kalau nggak salah, di beberapa perusahaan sebelumnya.
Jadi kayak mereka emang kayak gandengan aja
Iya,
gitu ya.
betul.
Okay.
The cameraman will be hired as astronomer soon, anjing banget. I was interviewed by Kristen once for a job at Astronomer. What? Lols.
Crazy. Ini kita
People who
cuma
knew,
lihat-
plot twist, people who knew about the affair paid the light tech person to expose them.
itu kan tadi kayak
Itu
your theory.
kayak, itu crazy sih.
Yeah, that could be.
There's so many crazy stories about cheating, tapi menurut gue ini yang di out ini tuh gong sih.
Ini gong banget sih. Tapi kayak now that it's like making such a wave di every platform basically, gue jadi wonder kayak, is there something that's being covered up right now? What other news? What other news is there or are there yang lagi ditutupin dengan meledaknya skandal ini?
Oh my God!
It's always like that with media.
Yeah, what I know is that Trump is visiting the UK. Pas ini.
Okay. Oh my God, have you seen the clip yang dia bilang apa namanya? Oh yeah, we're going to buy stuff from Indonesia.
No.
For free, and they will pay us 19%. No tariffs. Everyone's happy. We're very happy. Nggak
Lagi.
ada. That's another
Kayak mana
conversation.
beli barang di sini gratis. Orang
Yeah.
kadang kita beli harus kita kasih lebihan biar kita dapat barangnya. Kok mana lo?
Aku sebagai awam, aku tidak tahu apa yang dia omongin ya, we. Aku membaca
nggak
komen
tahu
saja, aku
loh.
juga tidak tahu ya, we. Aku tidak mengerti, we. Aku cuma perempuan loh. Aku
Kita
butuh
nggak tahu
diajarkan,
loh.
you know. Aku
Iya.
butuh mama harus kayak begini loh maksudnya
Nah,
loh.
itulah.
Aku tunggu minggu depan.
Well, kita akan mendengar, akan react to some of the crazy cheating stories
Yes.
yang got
Caught.
exposed atau caught
Yeah.
di internet.
Oh my God, I love it.
Oh my god.
I love it when bad people get caught.
Oke, ini jadi ada orang lagi main
Padel.
lagi minum-minum lah, lagi
Oke,
minum-minum,
lagi
terus lagi
hangout.
ngobrol-ngobrol. The chat turns into who was single or dating.
Oke.
Terus one fella had been on a few dates with someone, tapi katanya cuman we only kiss.
Oke.
Terus semua pada kayak nanya, mau dong lihat fotonya. Ternyata it was my friend's boyfriend of 10 years.
Wow. Tapi bisa kayak gitu tahu. Tapi oke.
loh.
Tapi makin gue berumur ya, kan sekarang gue udah 3.
Iya.
Jadi kayak makin gue jadi makin gue kenal banyak orang, pasti ada aja yang kayak yeah, I went on a date with this guy. Oh yeah,
Iya.
how was it? Lihat dong fotonya, ternyata dia kayak pacarnya orang yang udah mau menikah. Selalu kayak gitu, coy.
It's crazy.
That's insanity.
Makanya memang ya due diligence ya teman-teman ya.
Yeah, that's
Ketika
true.
lagi deket sama orang, minimal kayak ask around.
Yeah, that's
You know
true.
what I mean? Yeah.
Makanya ini pentingnya bibit-bibit bobot juga ya, weh.
Betul sekali.
Yeah.
He was my boyfriend of 2+ years. My dad and brother walked in on him having sex in the loo with a bridesmaid at my cousin's wedding. My dad and my brother. Diva. Diva.
Gila, itu taruh muka di mana ya? Cowok begitu ya? Apa emang dia gak peduli aja ya? Gak ngerti konsepnya.
Ya, gak ngerti juga
But that's
sih.
juicy in the loo.
Yeah. My ex went to Oceana nightclub, kissed another girl, then bought a photo of him doing so from the photographer that used to roam around the venue taking pics. In a fotonya in a key ring form and put it on his keys, which I found the next day. Jadi dia bangga karena dia taruh itu fotonya itu di kunci-kuncinya.
Orang mah labubu ya.
Iya, ini dia foto ciuman sama
Cewek random di
Iya.
klub.
itu dia.
That's crazy loh.
I used to have a work colleague who found out from another girl that his girlfriend of 6 years atau / fiance was cheating with 3 of his friends regularly for a while and even was getting picked up right outside their house. So it was like a for mutual cheating type situation where 3 of his friends went behind his back and were smashing his girls and there was videos going around. Whole thing was shambles.
It's a group thing?
It's a gilir thing. Lu sempet ada gak sih masanya, gue tuh dulu sempat ada masanya di pergaulan gue tuh pasti ada cewek tuh yang di label sama
She would like
cowok-cowok
dated everyone gitu
Iya.
kan. Dulu gue oke.
kayak apa namanya piala bergilir. Kasian sih, tapi at the same time juga kayak girl, why do you date everyone in your friend group?
It's giving absent parents.
Iya lagi, bener lagi, kagak ada orang tuanya. Iya lagi.
Maksudnya kalau masih ada pun ya absent aja gitu loh,
Absent,
kayak
betul.
nggak menerima kasih
Iya.
sayang karena pasti kayak apa ya, maybe like yeah she was looking for just something to fill her void,
Iya.
I guess. Karena dulu gue pas SMP itu kayak masa-masa kayak banyak les bahasa Inggris, les semboa lah, kumon lalala gitu-gitu. And of course like we would meet and hang out with other people from other schools
Yeah.
in the area. Aku sebagai anak Bintaro, aku bergaul dengan kayak anak PJ,
Yar.
anak global,
Yeah.
because global is like quite exclusive.
Iya.
Jadinya kayak anak Albin gitu-gitu. And I would like go to like pensi gitu kan. Dan kalau misalnya gue ke pensi, gue kenalan lagi sama kayak orang-orang, pasti denger aja tuh gosipnya kayak kemarin dia bukan pacar nama ini, kok sekarang dia ke pensi sama ini.
Ya, itu banyak banget zaman-zaman kita.
Dan kayak this girl
SMA.
unfortunately would go around literally the whole angkatan. The whole angkatan. Jadi kayak siapapun yang I guess like everybody found like moderately cute, like she would just
date them.
date them. Ada banget lagi
Yeah,
kayak
well
gitu.
that happens.
Tapi
It's
kayak
crazy.
no one in my school though. My school is pretty tame, I guess.
Yeah.
Tapi kayak di sekolah kalian gue selalu kayak dapat denger gosip.
Cerita-cerita kayak
Dan dari les itulah gunanya kursus ya teman-teman,
jujur,
sebagai
kursus tuh-
murid itu membantu sekali networking kamu ya
Yar.
untuk tahu gosip-gosip kayak gini.
Exactly.
Seru-seru.
Gosip-gosip SMP SMA.
Karena kalau misalnya enggak, gue tuh bakal ngerasa kayak anjir di kuliah gue nggak ada apa-apa gitu, kayak gue ngerasa nggak punya pengalaman. Juga gue harus kayak tahu dari orang lain.
Oke, yang ini crazy banget.
Oke.
I've told this story on here before, but hey, it's crazy. I was in bed with my ex when the husband of the woman he cheated with broke in and attacked him with a hammer while we were in bed. I had no idea what the fuck was happening and ran downstairs naked and called the police, then ran back upstairs to help him. He had managed to wrap the kilt around his body and protected him, la 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 la. The husband made him tell me why he was
Cheating.
as there, ya. Dia taunya di attack.
Bener-bener dipakai palu kacau sih.
Anjing, crazy.
That's crazy loh.
Yeah, it's so crazy. kept hinting that she wanted to open the relationship. Then I refused, went sleeping around anyway, came out as polyamorous, and used it as, if you really love me, you'll let me do this. Red flag from the moment someone talks about opening the relationship up. If it isn't explicitly what you sign up for, there's ethical polyamory and there's that.
Dude, ini kan kita ngomongin sama
Exactly.
Sarah sama Canti.
Oh iya? Oh iya benar.
Kita ngomongin kayak, ya what if tiba-tiba pasangan lo bilang kayak kita open the relationship yuk
Gak
gitu,
sih,
biar
itu
nggak
kayak,
cheating.
Itu akal-akalan buat cheating anjong.
Ya tapi kayak menurut gue sebagai seorang yang sudah pernah dabble into that idea, harusnya gue putus dulu baru gue ngomongin sama orang baru sih. Bukan kayak you're in a committed monogamous relationship and then you're like let's open this up. Itu kayaknya agak kayak taken aback, cause that was kind of like, well, going into this I expected a monogamous relationship, not a poly. Jadi kayak
Iya betul juga.
Ame, if you're watching, hey girl, thinking of you.
Di call out anjing. Di call out. Okay.
Hey,
He went
Polly
out.
Queen.
Oh my god. He went out for his birthday and was late back, so I ran him. He said he was out with his sister who's blind. He forgot to put the phone down. He was in bed with another woman. I heard him telling her what he was going to do. 3 days later, I found out of his cousin that the woman was HIV positive and he didn't use anything. He was bragging to the cousin that his immune system was too strong to catch anything.
What? You can't do that. You can't do that. You're literally, kalau misalnya orang yang udah aware, udah tahu tentang satu penyakit, and then they just choose to be careless, that's low-key abuse.
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's a criminal act, girl.
Yeah, crazy. Okay, on a lighter story ya. Stupid fucker tried to use my laptop and didn't delete his search history.
Terus dia ngapain dia nge-search apa?
Nggak ada bahkan. You can imagine lah.
Buka apa di Omegle? Terus tiba-tiba ketemu sama Andre. Bonjour.
Ya bonjour. We are from apa namanya?
Je m'appelle.
Oh ya, je
Je m'appelle Andre, je m'appelle Noël, je m'appelle Vinka, and we are French.
We are French.
Gue pengen lagi ketemu di Omegle sama mereka. Okay, Juicy.
I went to a random big house party with some mates when I was 18.
Okay.
Walked into a bedroom and found my girlfriend with a bloke's face between her legs. I didn't even realize she was there, lol.
And
Seeing it firsthand actually helped me get it over pretty fast. Now I just find it hilarious.
Damn. He was 18. Damn. These teenagers be having fun.
Dar, tiba-tiba ada
Kayak dar, kayak sorry. Sorry duluan ya gitu.
gosh.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Tapi lo pernah gak catch someone like cheating? Like ngeliat mereka lagi jalan kayak berdua, atau kayak lagi nongkrong, atau kayak dijemput gitu, pernah gak?
Enggak, tapi at a party I witnessed kayak on the way perjalanan dibungkus. Jadi kayak lagi, terus gue kayak, I didn't say anything. Yeah.
God damn.
Lo pernah gak? Kayak little smoochy maybe.
Not on the act, not in the act.
Okay.
I feel. Siapa ya?
Gue kayak juga kayak berpikir, enggak sih, gue tuh it's always a party and it's always someone membungkus siapa. Girl, we saw.
Right.
Tapi acara membungkusnya, perjalanan keluar membungkus.
Cukurukuk.
It was a celebrity. With I don't know, maybe model kali ya. Model kayaknya deh ceweknya. Gak tahu.
Gak tahu kan, itu yang bukan yang tadinya ngasih gue minum.
Jadi laki-laki ini tuh kayak berusaha untuk berkomunikasi dengan gemat. awalnya tuh kayak oh ya udah gitu kan. Lama-lama kayak Gemat merasa kayak kok ini agak intens ya. Terus kayak gue nanya tapi lu gimana, terus we knew kayak I think kayak ini married man gak sih, kayak oke.
I mean, I'm a fan.
Iya kayak
But-
you're a fan tapi kayak married deh gitu kan. Terus kayak oke, udah agak terlalu intens jadi kayak pindah grup dulu, kemudian kita melihat dia menggandeng cewek lain yang mestinya sih bukan istrinya ya.
His wife wasn't there.
His wife wasn't there, right? Bentar lagi kita di interview sama cubi-cubi.com.
Jangan. Kita nggak tahu apa. Kita nggak tahu apa.
Aku aja lupa namanya siapa, cuma
Iya,
Gemat
siapa
yang
ya?
ingat. Gak, Gemat besok gak inget.
Besok gue lupa
udah
kok
nggak
guys.
inget. Nggak, bener.
Okay, she found something juicy again.
Okay. Saw someone's underwear in her handbag after she had stayed at a mutual friend's house, male.
Okay.
Oh, ada underwear cewek di tasnya dia setelah nginep di mutual friend's house, male. I asked her where she slept. She said on the couch. I asked if you would normally remove your underwear to sleep on the couch. The tragedy unfolded. She was no longer my girlfriend, and the person's house she stayed at was no longer my friend.
Karena itu mutual friend kan. That's insanity.
Ngapain lo kayak nginep terus lo lepas celana dalam lo?
I mean, I would like bring a change of underwear because it's just hygienic reasons.
Iya.
Maybe it was also like for hygienic reasons. I don't know. I'm kind of on her side. Tapi kayak if she's hooking up, then I don't condone that.
Itu dia. I found out my girlfriend had a partner of nearly 15 years when I woke up one morning to lots of frantic messages apologizing and urging me to check my Facebook. He had posted a lovely picture of him, my girlfriend, and their lovely kids with a caption saying something like, "Thanks for ruining my life" on my page from her account. That was the last time I ever used Facebook. It was 2012. I deleted my account there and then as the shame was unbearable.
Jadi dia udah punya anak.
Jadi ini cewek, ini orang punya pacar, yang ternyata punya pasangan dan
Lain.
punya anak-anak. For 15 years tuh dan dia gak tahu, it's crazy loh.
It's a whole other life, parah sih. A whole other family.
It's so crazy.
Damn. You really never know ya. Kayak maksudnya nggak cewek nggak cowok bajir.
Iya. Oh ini yang paling gue takut sih, dan ini yang sering terjadi sih sebenarnya. My mate cheated on his girlfriend who is my girlfriend's sister. He went to Prague and got a from a prostitute whilst out there, then text his mate saying just got a blowy from this prostitute where you boys at. But didn't delete the message, lol. She went through his phone and when he got back and found the message, then lost her shit. Itu sering banget terjadi by the way, ketahuan dari chat.
Gue udah nggak bisa sih sama cowok-cowok jajan, sorry banget.
Oke, ini juga yang gue kayak agak mixed feeling. Satu sisi gue kayak gue sama sekali tidak merendahkan sex workers. Kayak sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
In some situations buat mereka mungkin yang nggak punya kesempatan di tempat lain, makanya semua ayo kita jalankan UMKM ini untuk memberikan kesempatan bekerja yang sehat bagi teman-teman kita.
Betul.
Tapi cowok jajan enggak sih? Iya sih.
Oke, kayak maksudnya gini. I guess if you're like single and then like you're jajan,
Yeah,
then you're not
fine.
really like breaking any like ethical cues or whatever.
Iya.
But like once you're in a relationship,
Oh enggak.
will that habit go away?
Exactly.
Iya kan? Maksudnya if you know that like your money has power to get you that, yang seharusnya you can get that for free because the best things in life are free,
Iya.
then I don't think they're gonna stop.
Iya.
Okay, I don't want to talk about this.
Tapi ya sih kayak gue tuh maksudnya setiap in every relationship yang gue punya gitu ya, gue tuh selalu berpikir the worst case possible of if I got cheated on.
Okay.
Tapi ini untungnya ya, maksudnya untungnya kayak I got Leo in my energy. Gue kayak well then if he cheated, then he didn't deserve what I bring to the
Period.
table.
Period.
Kayak oh my god, his appetite nggak bisa nyampe ke what I have.
Dude, I have this like one
Itu.
story
Yeah, period.
from a friend.
Okay.
So gue lagi kayak nanya-nanya aja, and then like apa namanya dating history. And then she said, yeah, my ex was like really weird because we were literally talking about like marriage and buying a house and how to like plan and everything with
Yeah.
like families and stuff. Tiba-tiba he cheated on her, and then when my friend confronted him, dia cuma bilang kayak, I can't keep up with your sex drive. You just want too much. So that's why I cheated on you.
Bohong banget
That
anjir.
doesn't even make any
That
fucking
fucking sense. No,
Gila.
no, enggak. Kayak sex drive ceweknya terlalu tinggi dan you have sex with other girl.
Yeah,
Like what the
that's-
fuck is that?
Ya makanya kayak, dude, guys really do be like saying the most absurd shit
Tapi it's not,
other than admitting that they're just not ready for this relationship or they just don't feel this relationship anymore.
yeah.
Like rather than feeling vulnerable, they would rather sabotage it. Kayak tadi lo bilang pertama-tama.
Gak cuma cowok, by the way, cewek juga.
Oh yeah, for sure. This
Cewek
applies
lagi.
to everyone.
Apalagi gue tuh paling greget ya, kayak kalau yang selingkuh cewek, terus ceweknya jadi posesif sama cowoknya. Ih aneh banget. And it happens. It fucking happens, girl.
Yeah.
Kayak, aduh gue denger dari mana ya?
Kayaknya dari gue gak sih? Enggak ya? Karena kayak I do know one kind of like distant friend. Dia kayak benar
lu ya?
dipingit sama ceweknya.
Iya dari lo kayaknya, bener. Langsung kayak dia yang selingkuh, dia yang posesif.
Iya.
Aneh banget.
Ya, dia yang selingkuh tapi dia yang kayak ngancem-ngancem gitu. Kalau kamu
Iya.
putusin aku lalalala gitu.
If we wanna like generalize kayak just for fun sis, kayak cowok lebih alasannya pasti dia akan selalu kayak ada yang salah, jadi dia harus mencari di orang lain atau kayak aku hilaf gitu. Kalau cewek defensifnya langsung kayak 1000 gitu
Iya,
loh,
iya,
yang langsung
iya.
kayak posesif langsung manip.
Iya bener-bener.
Cewek tuh langsung
bener.
Crazy, gue kayak, it's crazy.
It's
Kayak,
so crazy.
oh my god.
Ini cerita yang gue ceritain ke lo ini, maybe I think, I'm assuming it's like the same story. It's still going on right now.
Iya deh Beb, kita ya dari dulu deh kayaknya. Karena gue kayak, itu terekam di memori gue. Sampai gue kayak,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
emang it's not, rootnya tuh is not the act, the roots. Itu tuh so much deeper than
Yeah,
that.
that's true.
Jadi kayak buat teman-teman yang mungkin diselingkuhin, jangan bilang putusnya karena selingkuh. Bisa kayak, putusnya karena apa? Dia insecure, kemudian dia selingkuh.
Yeah.
Period, that's power right there.
Putusnya karena dia belum selesai sama dirinya sendiri.
That's why he cheated.
Yeah.
Period.
Tapi gila sih. Maksudnya kayak, I'm not saying that like to be in a relationship you have to be like this one whole person.
Enggak juga.
Like the
ya.
best version of yourself juga, karena kayak as people pasti kita berproses berprogres ya.
Teman-teman.
Dan kalau misalnya kita berpasangan kan harapannya bagusnya memotivasi dan kayak menginspirasi satu sama lain untuk
Iya
hidup
dong.
lebih baik bersama-sama gitu
Iya.
kan. Dagingnya loh Tapi terkadang ada aja bener kayak kurang gitu. Kayak menurut gue
Iya, coy.
jangan sampai ketemu ya. Omega 3 please be safe.
Iya.
Omega 3 we love you guys. Jangan sampai stuck sama gini-ginian ya kayak.
Iya.
Gue gak mau liat komen bilang kayak aduh relate banget kak.
No.
Tapi kalau misalnya ada cerita please tulis di komen biar kita baca.
Iya lagi bener.
Iya.
Karena perselingkuhan itu tuh bener-bener infidelity itu literally Nila Satitik merusak
Air jadi payal. Apa
air
namanya?
susu,
Oh iya.
es kopi susu sebelangga itu. Nggak enak langsung lo semuanya, you lose your friends, you lose everything.
Yeah,
Tapi
yes, everything.
nggak ada yang lebih bikin gue nganga dan kayak wow dari orang yang selingkuh and get their act straight. Itu gue kayak wow.
Oke. Kayak mereka benar-benar taubat gitu ya.
Tobat karena kayak karena gue mengerti kayak rasanya untuk tidak sabotaging again. Kayak oke, gue ngerasain ada kayak di relationship lagi nih, kayak gue ngerasain ada friction ini, nggak boleh lari, komunikasiin gitu. Itu capek sih. Jadi kayak props to you guys if you've hilaf and cheated
and then
previously
tobat.
and then tobat. Kau bertaubat itu.
Hilaf, cheated, tobat.
Itu dia.
Oke, yang terakhir gue mau tanya.
Oke.
If you catch my boyfriend cheating, would you tell me?
Oke.
Oke.
Gue walk you through the scenario ya.
Oke.
Ini gue sebagai penulis skenario itu sendiri.
Sebagai scriptwriter itu
Sebagai scriptwriter itu sendiri. Oke, misalnya lo pacaran sama satu cowok. Udah lama ya. Udah lama maksudnya pacarannya oke for quite some time dan kayak kita udah kayak
It's going
bonded
somewhere.
lah. It's going somewhere gitu kan. Gue melihat ini ngeliatnya gimana situasinya, seru dong.
Oke. Ceritanya gue lagi gue kan anaknya low maintenance parah.
Iya.
Jadi kayak gue nggak selalu kayak nanyain dia di mana.
Iya.
Tiba-tiba lu bilang kayak gue lagi gue WFC di sini ya gitu. Tiba-tiba lu lihat cowok gue lagi di kafe itu sama cewek.
Oke.
Cewek lain pegang tangan. Di smoker.
Oke. Ini yang gue lakukan. Karena it's going somewhere, pasti udah bonded dong sama gue. Gak mungkin enggak dong, ya kan? Dia pasti kaget ngeliat gue. Gue kaget ngeliat dia.
Bener.
Hal pertama yang gue lakukan adalah gue ke toilet dulu. Gue tarik napas yang dalam-dalam. Gue tarik napas. Terus gue keluar, gue WhatsApp cowok gue dulu.
Lu gak WhatsApp gue ya?
911. Sebelum datang ke lo, gue pasti akan labrak dia dulu. Gue labrak dia dulu, gue akan tanya, oke, lu memang mau putusin sahabat gue, atau lu tahu lu hilaf nih, lu tahu lu salah nih, yang mana? Jadi gue tahu nih, tapi gue pasti, menurut gue akan make a deal with him, untuk kayak lo yang cerita apa gue yang cerita.
Oke.
Kayak I think I'll took the antagonis way sih.
Oke.
Kayak gue, tapi again of course apa dia tahu gue udah fotoin, gue punya semua barbuk yang gue punya.
Yes.
Jadi kalau dia ngomong yang lain beda terus lo curhat ke gue kayak cowok gue gini, gue kayak tiba-tiba ceritanya beda. Dia kayak dideketin sama cewek ini, tangannya dipegang-pegang gitu-gitu, gue kayak no he's not. Kayak nih gitu. Baru. Iya. Itu sih.
Oke.
Kalau gue
So you would tell me kan? Okay.
I would tell you, tapi gue
With proof.
pasti akan labrak dia duluan.
Oke.
Yar.
Oke, Slay.
Gue pasti akan labrak dia dulu. Gue kayak, gue ancam mafia mood gitu sih. Gue pasti. Itu. Dan gue foto. The reason kenapa gue pasti akan cat cowok gue, supaya kayak ada 2 saksi. Jadi kayak, lu mau kemana-kemana gak bisa nih gitu.
Slay.
Gue ancam sih. Gak ada yang lebih menakutkan daripada dipergok sama sahabat pacar sendiri.
Iya coy, gila sih.
Itu menakutkan loh. Itu
That's
menakutkan
really
banget.
Scary. Karena kayak they're basically circle 0. Udah bukan circle 1 lagi, udah circle 0 anjir. Iya udah tau banyak.
Kalau lo gimana?
I would
gue
ask for the CCTV of the place. Yeah.
Lo bener-bener semua barbuk yang untuk confirm this gitu ya.
Ya kayak gue kan cari mereka datangnya kayak gimana. Ya kalau bisa ya. Tapi kalau enggak, I would do the same. I would take pics, I would like take videos and everything to just like apa ya kayak have proof of what he was like doing. Tapi aku kan anaknya non-konfrontasional. Jadi agak susah, aku tidak suka konfrontasi loh.
Gitu loh.
Jadi paling gue akan send him a text. Kayak
Tapi gak face to face ya?
enggak di sini bro gitu. Jadi gini bro gitu. And then I'll send this photo.
Oh my God.
Dan lihat dia panik atau enggak.
Iya. Iya sih, by text itu juga penting sih karena ada bukti ya.
Pokoknya kayak nanti gue kirim fotonya ke dia. Terus again like lihat aja kayak dia mau ngajak gue ngobrol atau gimana. Like how is he gonna explain himself? And then I would ask, ini sesuatu yang Emma tahu atau enggak?
That's true though. Karena kita nggak tahu
Karena
ya.
bisa aja kayak-
bisa aja kayak tiba-tiba kita open kok sekarang.
Iya.
Kita nggak tahu.
Yeah, we don't know. Jangan. Jangan ya.
Amit, jangan ya.
Cuman kayak, ya.
Jangan ya.
Is this something that she would be upset about? She knows.
Oke, ya,
Gitu.
ya.
Karena seeing this, I'm upset.
Ih takut banget loh. Beneran mendengarnya. Ih,
I'm
takut banget loh.
very disappointed in you.
Period.
My friend deserves a lot better than this.
Period.
Yeah. Oh my god. After saying I'm not confrontational.
Tapi Gemat harus overtext. Kalau gue kayak bener-bener gue datengin, gue yang kayak lu hilaf apa lo memang mau putus?
Period.
Kalau lo memang mau putus, izinkan gue yang memutuskan kalian berdua. Kalau lo hilaf, silakan lo ngomong. The stage is yours.
Iya.
Tapi kalau
sweet.
misalnya amit-amit ya, cowok lo gue pergokin selingkuh dan memang dia kayak, iya gue lagi kepikiran nih, was asking her for a break, apa segala macam. Gue kayak, oh gitu, oke. Terus Sen, oke, gue yang putusin kalian berdua aja. Kayak better lo, gue yakin kayak kalau itu putus better lo mendengar dari gue.
Iya benar.
Dari dia dulu. Biar ke dia nanti udah tinggal kayak gitu.
Oh my god, if I was in that situation, what would I do ya? Kayak gue nggak bakal terlalu babi bu dah. Gue bakal kayak, oh gini, ya udah.
Bye.
It's over. If it's over in your head, gue nggak akan usahain.
Iya.
Mau dia udah beliin gue rumah kayak apa?
Iya. Gue tuh even though kayak setelah berjalannya pasti ya di semua relationship ya, makanya kenapa orang kadang stayed in a relationship walaupun the other person cheated, karena it gets complicated.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Kalau udah ada banyak banget yang
bener.
involved. Yeah.
Tapi memang dulu tuh gue sempet selalu mikir kayak kalau in a relationship the other person cheated, physical, langsung putus aja. Karena apapun yang terjadi, it's going to be like kayak gelas yang udah yang retak, jadi kayak it's going to be there. Tapi yang pasti for sure kalau gue ada di that situation, gue sebulan akan di Bali. Gue ngilang sih. Gue kayak I need a break. Let's take a break. Kalau kata Trixie, let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Mother.
Oh my gosh, infidelity.
That's crazy. But
Yeah.
if I'm the one who cheated on my boyfriend, what would you do?
Oh shit.
You caught me. Like you caught me cheating on my boyfriend. Like I'm with another dude.
Oke.
Ya ini lebih juicy lagi nih.
Kalau gue
Akankah lo kayak
Oke, gue akan do the same thing sih sebenarnya. Kayak yang si cowok tadi tanpa foto dan video itu of course.
oh damn.
Gue nggak usah lah. Kayak gue nggak usah tanpa kayak ngefotoin, ngevideoin nggak usah.
Oke.
Gue yang pasti akan ngajak ngobrol lo. Gue pasti akan kayak lo mau putusin atau lo hilaf.
Right then and there.
Tapi masalahnya kalau misalkan ini yang melakukan lo amit-amit, apapun hilaf ataupun tidak lu yang ngomong sama cowok lo. Gue gak mau ikutan. Gue gak mau ikutan. I'm just gonna be here girl. Paling gue akan kayak di 3 bulan pertama, kau Jake. Kayak kau kalau mau yang lain kau putuskan dulu Jake.
Kau jangan halu Jake.
Iya.
Semua ada jalannya, semua ada caranya lo Jake.
Itulah. Kalau gue amit-amit.
Okay, amit-amit this happens, but I would literally like join your table. I would join your table and be like, halo Gemat, gue sahabatnya Emma, belum dikenalin ya kayaknya. Kalian ketemu di mana? Mampus lu.
Best believe kalau misal amit-amit ya Tuhan. Amit-amit. Gue dideketin sama cowok gitu ya. Tiba-tiba gue in this relationship, gue masih di dalam relationship ini. Oh ya, gue masih di relationship ini. Terus gue tiba-tiba kayak ada cowok ngechat gue pasti akan langsung ngomong ke Mat, gak mungkin enggak. Gak ada yang gue umpetin. Kemarin mantan gue ngechat gue aja, mantan gue ngechat gue.
Ya elah.
Gak ada yang gue umpetin, gue kayak chatnya kayak gini Mat. Ya elah katanya ke Mat. Gue kayak ya kan ya elah. Gak ada yang ngumpetin karena semuanya that is kept in the dark will come to light, teman-teman.
Period.
Jadi ngapain gelap-gelapan? Mari kita terang-terangan saja.
Seterang masa depan kita semua.
Iya, well teman-teman Omega 3 kalau kalian punya cerita-cerita juicy dari tetangga mungkin dari mana boleh lo di komen di bawah ini and we will maybe react to them. Yang pasti kita akan membacanya dengan
kencang
kencang
di episode yang akan mendatang.
Period.
Thank you so much guys for listening and watching Salmon Mentah episode, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.